All right, so it's been a little bit quiet on the video front for myself. I apologise for that. I've sort of had a bit of a break and just been cleaning up parts anyway. But videos will be returning very soon. I'm starting to put my mower back together, so that's excellent to hear. So today's video, we've got a bit of a sticker swap. So since my last video about swapping stickers, I've been inundated by stickers, which is excellent. It's really good to see that there's a whole sort of community out there into the same sort of stuff that we are, I suppose you could say. So first on the sticker board today, we'll go, I've received a sticker from LoveLarn. So Michael from LoveLarn, he also makes YouTube videos for Scott Bonners, and he's kindly sent me a sticker of his to place onto my board. So thank you, Michael, and I'll put that up on the sticker board. Stick him over there. So next sticker, the Melbourne Lawny. So Melbourne Lawny is an Instagram page. He's a funny bloke and he puts up a great content. So thank you for sending me a sticker. We'll put him up on the board. It's a small sticker, this one. Stick him in the middle. Thank you, the Melbourne Lawny. Next sticker, the Home Lawn Aficionado. Oh my God, what a name. Hope I said that right. Thank you kindly for sending me a sticker. He is on Instagram as well. So we'll put him on maybe over here. I quite like his sticker. It's a really good sticker. I like it. Okay, man, these stickers are hard to get off. I tell you, some come off easy, some come off incredibly difficultly. So next up on the board, we'll go to Lawn Looney. So Lawn Looney, he's got a great channel as well. I really enjoy his content. Get behind him. He's definitely putting out some good videos. So thank you to Lawn Looney. Alright, so here's a channel that I recommend to all you guys. So Daniel's Lawn Care. So Daniel is a young fella. He pumps up videos on Instagram. He's supported by quite a few people, and he's only young, but he definitely knows what he's talking about when it comes to his lawn. So get behind him. Go and give him a thumbs up or a like or a love heart or however you do it on Instagram. I'm not really into Instagram, but definitely go and check out Daniel's Lawn Care. Okay, Mates and Lawn. So these guys also putting out some good content on Instagram. I would check them out. Thank you kindly for your sticker, and please go ahead and check them out. In fact, guys, check everyone out on this board. I follow them, they support me, I support them. So it's really great community. If you'd like to do a sticker swap, please hit me up. Okay, next we've got SEQ Reel Mowers Parts and Service. So Brett Glancy is behind this. Brett Glancy, he's across all the pages. I'm sure you guys have seen him comment or like or or post some content up. He also sells nut and bolt kits. So if you're after a nut and bolt kit for your Scott Bonner, he's got various sort of levels of kits available. So definitely hit him up. He's got a Facebook page. That's how he sells all his stuff, and that's how you can get in contact with him. So definitely go check out Brett Glancy from SEQ Reel Mowers Parts and Service. Okay guys, Jacob's backyard. Now Jacob's back. This guy, you got to check him out. He knows what he's talking about. So Jacob runs an Instagram page. I reckon he puts up the most content that I continually look out for, and I reckon I've probably learnt the most from this bloke out of everyone that I follow. He knows what he's talking about. Go check him out. He's also up in Queensland, and he's really putting out some good, useful, handy tips. Jacob's backyard. And last but not least, Jason from OldTimeParts has sent me a sticker. So OldTimeParts, for the Scott Bonner world, they pumping out new Scott Bonner catches. They look identical to the original ones. They've also selling various parts for Scott Bonner's mowers, whether it be stickers, thrust pads, PTO shafts, engines. They also distribute the NH150 Predator engines. So if you're after any of that gear, go check out Jason from OldTimeParts, and he's across all the socials, so go and give him a like or a thumbs up. And there we have it. So that's all the stickers from the latest sort of sticker swap I've been doing. So thank you to everyone that sent me a sticker. If you'd like a sticker, even if you don't have a channel, hit me up. I'll happy to send you one. I've only got a few left, so I'll have to order more, but it might take me some time. So if you do want one and you're happy to wait, please hit me up. If you run your own channel and would like to do a sticker swap, please reach out. I'd be more than happy to do a sticker swap. So support everyone that supports me, and I'll keep producing some content for you. So thanks for watching.